Hello, Cheryl. This is Francisco from Amplify Digital Marketing. I spoke with Ashley earlier this morning, and I had promised that I would send out a video concerning your digital marketing, specifically your website. We're just doing a website audit and giving you some free tips and tricks. So I'm going to get right to it, Ashley. So one of the things that I look into right away when I look at a website is content. And looking at your website, it's a really nice website. But right away, I'm looking at content. You need to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content to be optimized with Google and having keywords in your content. And basically, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And within your content, pictures are included, right? Are these pictures optimized with keywords? Do they have meta tags or meta descriptions? So those are the things that we definitely look for. And it's important to have those keywords so that way Google can find you and be able to show your potential clients that you exist. And now I'm going to jump into this tab here. So Ahrefs is another tool that I use. It's a tool that I use to help me determine how strong your website is. So I'm going to go and talk about these sections here. So this score right here, Google provides this by being able to determine your strength, how authoritative your website is, and then your trustworthy score. And you typically want to have between 28 to 30, and both of them having 28 to 30 because that is considered a golden ratio. And some of the ways to get really close to those scores is through your backlinks, right? And currently right now you have 66 backlinks with 26 referring domains. And a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, whether it's via clickable or hyperlink text. And these links, they act like an endorsement for your website. So that way Google can build trust in your business and they're going to vouch for you and be able to show customers that you exist, and you're going to show up on Google in the top pages of Google. It's literally like a popularity contest. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. So some are stronger than others. Now, it's important and crucial also to get backlinks that are in your specific niche. In this case, you guys are a plumbing company, so it's important to get links that are specific to plumbing. It's not a good practice to get a link that's, for example, a pizzeria, right? Having a pizzeria linking back to your site could affect this. Now, the third thing on this, I want to talk about your organic keywords. Now, remember, keywords are what people search for on Google to find any specific service or product. So on here, as I look at your specific keywords, you got a couple, right? You got Rain City Plumbing, Plumbing Burien, I think I'm saying it right, Washington, water heater, Seattle, Washington. Now, let's just stick with this one real quick. So this is a keyword, and this is just one. But if you look at the volume, 90 people search for this every single month. Okay, so let's look at your competition. See how they're doing, right? Once again, doing the same thing, looking at their website. Looks like they got more content, right? Looks like they have over 500 words of content and a little bit more pictures. But now let's look at their scores. Okay, so this is beaconplumbing.net, and look, this is a very good quality scores. They have 16,000 backlinks with 793 referring domains. But now let's dive into the organic keywords. What is your competition ranking for? What are they being indexed for? And right away, I'm looking at Beacon Plumbing, Emergency Plumbing, but I want to look for these right here. Plumbing Seattle Plumber. And the reason why is because they're buyer key intent words, right? When somebody's going to search for this, they're going to be looking for your service. And in this case, let's just stick with Seattle Plumber. Look at this. Over 2,000 people search for this every single month. Right, so you really want to be indexed for this specific keyword, because guess what? You're going to generate more traffic into your website. You're going to generate more potential clients. So therefore, your business is going to grow. Now, the last thing I want to show you is on Google, right? So we're going to stick with Seattle Plumber because a lot of people search for this. Now, let's just go step by step, right? So this section right here, this is what we call the Google Guarantee or the Google Ads. So people are paying to be here. And then same here, look at the sponsored. People are paying to be on this site, or sorry, on this first page of Seattle Plumber. And then here, this is what we call the Google My Business page. And in order for you to rank higher on this Google My Business page, one, you want to have reviews and you want to respond to those reviews. You want to have good content, right? You want to be able to have good optimized pictures with keywords. You also want to update your Google My Business with pictures, and you also want to send updates about your business on the Google My Business page. Google likes that, and they tend to rank Google My Business pages a lot higher. And this is just the organic listings, right? Just organically, Google is already showing these companies because based on what they're doing, right? When it comes to those best practices that I mentioned. So, and obviously they're currently ranked number 1. Anyhow, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have more questions around these specific strategies, please feel free to let me know. What I do ask is, can you please leave some feedback? I would love to hear what you thought about the video or anything that I could do differently or better. So thank you so much again for your time, Cheryl. So we'll talk to you soon and have a great week.